Are you tired of the never-ending approval process for your digital asset and documents?
Look no further. Introducing zipBoard, your review and approval software. With the zipBoard, getting feedback and approvals is now faster and more efficient than ever before. Say goodbye to long email threads and confusing spreadsheets. Here's how it works. Collect feedback directly within your product, app, courses, videos, and more. You can leave comments, attach screenshots, or even use videos to provide deeper context to your feedback. Regardless of your role, zipBoard ensures seamless communication with stakeholders, fostering a collaborative environment that drives productivity and innovation. So, why wait? Try zipBoard now and experience a whole new level of efficiency and productivity in your content creation and review process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to app.zipboard.co. If you're new here, you can create an account or simply log in using your credentials. Welcome to your dashboard, your gateway to all of your projects. This intuitive interface gives you an overview of everything in one place. Each manager enjoys their personalized dashboard, displaying projects they're creating or invited to. Projects are neatly organized based on organizations, clients, or team groupings, ensuring a seamless workflow. The content dashboard serves as a centralized hub for uploading and reviewing project content. zipBoard supports various content types, including URLs for hosted courses, web pages, or LMS testing. Needs approval for images? No problem. zipBoard lets you obtain image approvals effortlessly. For audio content or videos, you can easily upload MP4 or MP3 in this one. PDF documents are suitable for storyboard approvals and feedback during the project's development. Having custom-built content for your LMS? Just zip it and upload it to zipBoard for smooth review. On the side panel, you will find all the tasks generated from the comments made during the review process. Below that, you can invite collaborators or clients to join and assist in reviewing your content. Going back, simply click on the content that you want to review, and you can add more information and start the review process right away. By clicking the review button, a new tab opens, enabling you to annotate and provide feedback efficiently. On the other hand, sharing your content with others outside zipBoard is a breeze. By doing that, you can click on the three-dot menu, click on Share, and from here, you can customize access settings. zipBoard also offers seamless integration with Jira, ensuring smooth workflow management for your team. Just make sure that you are the administrator of your organization. To set up Jira integration, just click on the profile and select Manage Integrations. And last but not the least, take advantage of the powerful reporting feature in zipBoard to generate insightful project performance reports. You can do that by selecting this one or the reports on this section.